Welcome to the channel. Looking to earn money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income is the key to financial freedom, and today we're revealing the top 5 passive income ideas you can start today. Let's dive into how you can make money online effortlessly in the year ahead. Create an online course. If you have expertise in any field, whether it's digital marketing, photography, or personal finance, creating an online course can generate significant passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to upload your course once and earn money as people sign up. The best part? Once the course is created, the income is nearly passive. All you need to do is promote it, and your expertise becomes a source of consistent revenue. Affiliate marketing. This is a great way to make money by promoting other people's products. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a solid social media following, you can partner with brands and earn commissions by recommending their products through affiliate links. As traffic increases, so does your income, making affiliate marketing one of the most effective passive income strategies. Once your content is up and running, the commissions roll in even when you're not actively working. In dropshipping, you sell products without having to hold inventory. You simply create an online store, partner with suppliers, and when customers make a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Once your store is set up, it runs automatically. You can promote products through ads, and with the right marketing strategy, it's possible to make money around the clock, all while having minimal overhead. Investing in real estate through REITs, real estate investment trusts. Real estate can be a lucrative income source, but owning properties isn't always feasible. Enter REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of maintenance or property management. By investing in an REIT, you earn dividends from real estate properties, whether it's commercial or residential, making this an ideal way to earn passive income without getting involved in day-to-day operations. Build a mobile app. If you have an idea for a useful or fun app, 2025 is the perfect time to build it. With mobile app stores like Google Play and Apple's App Store, you can monetize your app through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Once your app is launched, it can earn money 247, especially if it goes viral or attracts a loyal user base. The initial effort is substantial, but the payoff can be huge, making this one of the most profitable passive income ideas in the long run. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money online in 2025 with passive income. Whether you're teaching online, promoting products, selling through dropshipping, investing in real estate, or building your own app, the opportunities are endless. Ready to get started? The key is taking action now, so you can reap the rewards in the year ahead. If you want more tips on building your passive income stream, be sure to subscribe for more insights.